The Sister Martha Ann Fitzpatrick Foundation Vision Award has been awarded to the individual or organization at Mission Hospital that best represents the Foundation's mission and vision. It's our highest award of distinction, and we look for people who have not only supported the mission and vision of the Foundation, but who have represented our core values of dignity, service, excellence, and justice, and who carry out our definition of the spirit of giving, which is bringing people together to foster the quality of life in people in our communities. Carl and Janet represent the spirit of giving in the way we think about it, which is giving our time, our expertise, getting behind our passion, and money. It's any one or all of those things. And I think, as I consider Carl and Janet's life, they get behind what they believe in. And sometimes it's encouraging the hospital to do something we haven't done. Sometimes it's encouraging us to think about a health issue in the community that we maybe haven't been addressing. It's also being involved in giving their money, and of course inviting their friends to be involved. And the passion is just, I think, in both of them, and perhaps that's part of what caused them to come together, is that feeling inside that they have to do something about issues in the community when they see them. Similar to the sisters who, when they look out the window and see something, they are doing something about it, and I think they have that same sense within each of them, and then together to do something about anything that they see that they can help.
Carl had a car accident and was taken to Mission Hospital, and luckily everything was okay, but the care that he got during that emergency visit kind of set the stage for Carl's feeling about Mission Hospital. Then, having 7 children in his life, there's been many times that Carl has had to take one of the kids to Mission Hospital, like all of us, and the care that has come with that has just been amazing. Mission Hospital is made up of unbelievable, caring people, and that's what we and all of us here at Nolet Spirits appreciate about Mission.
Well, being a Vision Award recipient myself over the years, I think that it's different groups of people come to the fore. There are people that are part of the hospital community that have devoted themselves to that. There are people who make the hospital community work, that make it possible for the hospital community to do the work that's important to them. And Carl and Janet fit in that category. They are dedicated to make it possible for the people at Mission Hospital to have a great institution in which to function, in which to give back to the community, take care of patients, to be sure that everyone is getting the best possible care in dire circumstances. And that's where they really shine. They can bring the attention and power and dedication to getting the community involved in this, and they've done this. They've shown the fact that they've done this for many years running. And just because they're getting this award, they're not going to stop doing it. This is part of their very fabric, and they will continue to do it forever.
It's contagious. We all want a part of that. And to be a part of helping out our community, helping out individuals who are going through tough times in their lives. You know, I'm sure everyone here, as well as myself, has had some tough times, and we've needed the hospital there to help us. We've needed people around us to nurture and love us. It was always very important to me, and I know Carl and Janet, to reach out in this way and to help our area and to help our hospital to grow and continue to thrive.
It should be noted that after all is said and done, the Nolet family's involvement with Mission Hospital and its affiliates have provided not only for the physical and mental well-being of the community, but they've also helped save many, many lives. Their contributions, as well as their involvement on many administrative levels of the hospital, have helped us and direct this care where it's needed most.
This is part of being able to carry the community on your back. So you're doing the heavy lifting so that everyone benefits. And Carl and Janet Nolet can do the heavy lifting. They realize they have the resources and the desire to do that, and they're more than willing to have those resources for that benefit.
And the great thing about the contributions is it's not just about the money that they're giving, but it's about the lives that they're saving and the effect that they're having on the community.
Carl has encouraged me personally to get involved, especially with Mission Hospital, has allowed me to serve for 7 years on the board It took up as much as 8 to 10 hours a month. I was an individual that was 24/7 work, but Carl actually has taught me that you need to give back and give back to people that deserve support, and Mission Hospital is definitely one of those places. Carl is not the kind of individual that feels like that he needs to be recognized for what he does for the community. But I think they realize that this is an unbelievable honor. Both Carl and Janet are very gracious and accept this award in a unbelievable manner that they would be singled out as a couple, as a family, as a business to receive the Vision Award for this year.
We wish to thank you, Carl and Janet, for all the care you've given. Thank you.